Good morning, students. In the previous class, you learned to apply the Spearman's coefficient of correlation in order to measure the correlation between the two attributes, two variables. When these variables, value of these variables are not scoring the same rank, or they are having the separate values or distinct values from each other. But in case if the value of variables are same, two variables are given, the values in both variables are given, sometime it may happen then in both variables some values repeat itself. So the problem is how to rank them. Suppose in a class the 2 or 3 students have secured the same marks, then in that subject how would you rank them? Either first position, second position, third position, both are on the same rank. Likewise, in these variables the values are same, then you have to give them same rank. This is a great question. And then how to express the correlationship between these two variables? So Spearman have given the solution of this problem by extending his previous formula where the ranks are not repeating, and some extensions have been given in the same formula if the ranks are repeating or same. And that formula is given by the Spearman. That is, basic formula, rank correlation is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square upon n cube minus n. Then what extension is there? The effect of repeating the rank or ranks are same, mean the variables, the values, ranks are same, they are standing on the same footing, same ranking. Then in that case the formula is to be extended, that is plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m. If one value of variable, mean only one value is repeating in the both variables, two variables, only one item is there which are standing on the same rank, then this is extended. If two or more values are there which are repeating in both variables commonly, then it will be extended again 1 by 12 m cube minus m, and this is the nth item if the value of variables are repeating. Suppose a variable and b variable there. In the a variable, two items are there which are repeating or securing same rank, then these two. Suppose in the second variable, b variable, the two items are there which are two values are there which are repeating itself or ranking on the same, then it will be extended again 1 by 12 m cube minus m and 1 by 12 m cube minus m. That is extension. This is the limitation of this rank. This is the demerit of this rank. But you will get the solution of it. This is formula have been given. M here mean number of times of repetition. Number of times the values are repeating itself, how many times? 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Suppose 2 is there, 2 values there. 2 comes 2 times in the same variable. Then there's 2 repetitions. 3 times 3, then 3 m cube, 3 cube minus 3, 2 cube minus 3, minus m. That is the one. So this formula we will apply to it. Now we are going to take one example. One example I am taking, I will solve here 2 examples. and the two questions are given which you have to solve. Now the question is given in your book, example number 7, x and y. Calculate the coefficient of correlation from the following data by the Spearman's rank correlation method. And this is x variable 11, 24, 18, 20 and 22. See in this x, 20 is repeating 2 times. Now y is there. Y variable 24, 9, 20, 22, 9, 21. In this variable 9 is repeating itself 2 times. Then how to give the rank? While giving the rank, then if they are given rank, they will get the same rank. So we will give them average because there is slight difference between these ranking. So see the ranking R1, highest is 24, one number, 22, two number, it stands 3, 3, 20 and 20, 3, 4. Now next will be given 5th rank, 3rd or 4th count it, 5th, and 11 is 6th rank. Now these two and this two, they are standing on 3rd and 4th, 3 plus 4th rank, 3 plus 4th, they are given the same. So what to do? Find the average of it, that is 3.5, give them 3.5 and 3.5. If you will give 3rd or 4th, then there is a difference. So to make the equal, find the average. Suppose this 20 is repeating 3 times, then 3, 4, 5th that is standing. So they will get the average of it and we will put the rank on average basis. This is here. Now R2, 24 the highest, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 3, number 4, and this is 5th and 6th item, slight difference there. So we'll give 5 plus 6 upon 2, that is 5.5, give it 5.5, give it 5.5. This is the average rank. Now two numbers are there which are repeating. So we'll add these two, extension to these two. Now find the deviation, 3.5 minus 1, R1 minus R2, that is 2.5. This is 0.5. This is minus 3. This is 3. This is 2. Minus 2. This is minus 1. Now find the D square. 6.25. 0.25. It's 9, 9, 4 and 1. Then total it, D square, $29.50. Now we'll put in the formula, and when we will put in the formula, that formula, the basic formula, we will write it, and then that is C R is equal to 1 minus 6. So it is D square. I am writing directly here. 1 minus 6 into 29.50 upon number of items are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cube minus 6 plus 1 by 12. See, this is repeating 2 times. 2 cube minus 2 plus extension 1 by 12. 2 cube minus 2. It is repeating 2 times. So that is extended over here. Now simplify it. If it is not clear, then I am writing here. See it. See it. This formula r is equal to 1 minus 6 into 29.50 upon 6 cube minus 6 plus 1 by 12 m cube number of items repetition 20 2 times 2 cube minus 2, but in it is also repeating 1 plus 12 1 by 12 6 2 cube minus 2 can present it as 1 minus 6 29.50 plus 1 by 12 6, that is 2 into 2 into 2 8 minus 2 6 plus 1 by 12 6 upon 216 minus 6. Now see here how it is represented. 1 minus 6 29.50 plus 1 by 2, as 6 2 are 2, yeah 6 1 are 1, then divide it 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 upon 210. Now 1 minus 6, this is 0.5, this become 30 upon 210. Now 1 minus 180 upon 230, 210. Then this is 30 upon 210. 30 upon 210. This is 183. This is 30.5. It was wrong, which I multiplied it. 30.5. Now it become 183. This is 27 upon 210. Then find the correlation, and it is 27 upon 210. 0.1285, that is 0.129 positive correlation, low degree correlation, positive correlation. Now the another question we'll take, for example, same formula will apply here, and that example is given in your book. That example, see, calculate the coefficient of rank correlation from the following data, that is x 48 33 40, 48 33 40, 9 16 16, 9 16 16, 65 24 and 16, and the last is 56. This is number is 10. This is example number 8. Now series y, this is 12 12 25, 25, 7, 15, 5, 29, 7, and 19. Now give the rank to this. R1, highest in it is 65. Give one number. 56, 2, 48, 3, 40, 4, 33, 5, 24, 6. Now next is 7, 8, 9. You give it. I am writing in bracket 7 number, 8 number and 9 number. Even though they have got the same marks, same number, same preference. So 7, 8, 9 number is given, but you will find the average of it. 7 plus 8 plus 9 upon 3. That is 24 upon 3. Give the 8 rank to each. 8 rank to each. Now 9 will get 10. This is the ranking. And 16 repeats 3 times. Rank is 3 times. So m cube minus m is 3 cube minus 3. Now here 12 is repeating only 2 times. The highest marks in it is 20, 25. 1 rank 2, 1, 22, 3, 15, 4, 12 and 12. 6, 5 and 6. 7, 8 and 8. 8, 9. 8, 9. And this is 10. Now see, 5, 6, 12 is repeating. So we will find 5 plus 6 upon 2. It is 11.2, 5.5. Give the average 5.5 to 8, 5.5 to 8. And then 7 is repeating. Is it? 7 is repeating. 7 and 7. 8 and 9. That is 17 upon 2. That is 8 plus 9. For your revision, this is 2. 17 upon 2. 8.5 to each. 8.5 and 8.5. Now this is the way of ranking to these items which are repeating. Now find the D. 3 minus 5.5, 2.5 minus 0.5, 3, 1.5, 4, 2, 1, 1, minus 0.5, 1, minus 1. D square 6.25, 0.25, 9, 2.25, 16, 4, 1, 1, 0.25, 1. Now total of it. D square. D square. (41). Now the formula is, you know it, 1 minus d square upon n cube minus n plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m number of items. Now see here, r equal to 1 minus 6 41, that is summation d square upon 10 cube minus 10 plus in it 1 by 12 in it 1 2 3 times m cube 3 minus 3 in it 12 is repeating plus 1 by 12 right like this 2 times 2 cube minus 2 plus 1 by 12 at 7 is repeating 2 cube minus 2. Now can write 1 minus 6 into 41 plus 1 by 12 3 into 3 into 3 that is 24 plus 1 by 12 6 2 into 2 into 2 8 minus 2 6 plus 1 by 12 6. Now see 1 minus and this is divided by 990 10 into 10 into 20 1000 minus 10 990. Now find 6 here I am putting this value 1 minus 6 41 plus this is 24 1 is 24 divided by 12 that is 2 plus this is 6 1 is 6 12 1.1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 upon 990. Now it is 1 minus 6 41 plus 2 43 plus 1 this is 1 44 upon 990. Now 1 minus 264 upon 990 then 26 90. Now divide it 726 minus upon 990. This is 0.733. This is the positive correlation, high degree positive correlation. Now it is can say high degree, but this is the moderate degree near to high degree. This we learn how to rank, how to give the rank to the values if it is repeating, and calculated the coefficient of correlation Spearman, as well as we learned the Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Now this chapter is over. Do more practice on it. Have a good day. Thank you. Next class we will see the index number. Thank you.